Oliver, come here. Come here. I've got this wrench for your bolt. Why are you just lying there? Oliver. Oh, good. Yeah, walk with that in your mouth is a great idea. Come here. Yeah, uh-oh. Josie's right. Uh-oh. Come here. Come get this wrench. No, you're too busy with the bolt. Yeah, here's the wrench that goes with it. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, get back up. Good. There you go.